Students, this is the second part of science lesson number 7, I love Gujarat. In the first part of the lesson, I have explained you how the flamingo, a migratory bird, has come from the other foreign countries and it is visiting our Gujarat state one by one. First, it visited the Kutch desert, then it visited the island of Jamnagar district, that is a Pirotan island of Jamnagar district, where it met dolphin. First it met chinkara. Chinkara is a desert animal, Kutch desert animal. Then flamingo met dolphin, which is a water animal. And third it met lion, which is found in the Gir forest of our Gujarat. And later on, when flamingo goes to Girnar, there flamingo finds different hills here, what I explained you in the first part. So here you have to write down, not to write down here, I will be giving you in the workbook, there you have to write down name of the hill and name of the district. So as discussed earlier, I will tell you the name of the hill. First name we found that Pavagad and in the district of Panchmahal. Second is Arasur in the district of Banaskatha. Third is Saputara in the district of Dang. And fourth is Shatrunjay in the district of Bhavnagar. And other districts also you can find it out from the Google. See, I have given you one more work from Google, that where is a sanctuary nearby you in our district or nearby our district. You have to find out where is our sanctuary. One sanctuary is there and we have to write down which animal is found in that sanctuary. That is your extra activity work. It will not come in exam, but it is just extra activity work that you go to Google and just search for a sanctuary near our Valsad district. Okay children, now we continue with the page 54. There is a big center of fishery in Veraval along the long coastal region of Gujarat. So Veraval is also on the west coast of Gujarat. Entire region is the coastal region. Coastal region means what? Nearby sea. Which sea is there near our Gujarat? Arabian Sea. So that entire coastal line is called as कोस्टल रीजन ऑफ गुजरात. इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? कोस्टल. कोस्टल मतलब जो सी के बाजू में जो रीजन होता है, जो सी के बाउंड्री को टच होकर जो लैंड होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? कोस्टल रीजन. सो हियर वी विल आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट विच प्लेस? वेरावल. इट इज अ coastal region and here it is famous for its fishery, different types of fish, and a different huge business is there. Flourishing business means what? A great business is there about the wrecked ships thriving in Alang port in Bhavnagar district. So there are different industries because of the coastal region. Which industries are there? I am explaining you that. First is the fishery, means different fishes are caught and fishes are stored and then they are sold out or they are transported. Second is Alang port. Alang port in Bhavnagar. What is a port? Where the ships come and go, where there is a station for ship, like we have railway station, bus station, airport. In the same way, port is a place where the ships are coming and going, or the harbor is called as what? Port. So wrecked ships thriving in Alang. Wrecked means what? टूटा हुआ, जो शिप का टूटा हुआ सामान होता है, जैसे स्टीमर, और पता है बड़े बड़े शिप्स होते हैं, स्टीमर होते हैं, उसमें पूरे होटल ही बनी होती है. बिग बिग होटल्स आर देयर इन द शिप एंड स्टीमर. सो फर्नीचर इज देयर. सो दैट फर्नीचर इज business is in the Alang port of Bhavnagar district, and that even we get that Alang furniture. आप अपने पेरेंट्स को पूछना, अलंग का पूरा जो सामान है वलसाड में मिलता है. What is this अलंग? अलंग furniture is what? The broken parts of the ship, because inside the ship it is made up of entirely of pure wood, that sesame wood and that pure wood. That wood is very pure and that wood is used in the making of the ship and the furniture inside the steamer or ship. So when the ship breaks up or when the ship is damaged somewhat, then the entire wood is taken out from that and that is sold in the market, and that is a big business is in the Alang fort, Alang port of Bhavnagar district. Bamboo, sadad, hadarvo, sesame, timro trees grow in the forest of Dang. So Dang matlab, just I told you where our Saputara hills are there. So that district is what? Dang district is a famous forest area. So the different woods are found. Bamboo, sadad, hadarvo, sesame and timru trees are found in the Dang district of Gujarat. That is a forest of Dang. Building wood of teak is produced in huge quantity. Whatever building are made or when the construction is going on, at the construction site you will find the bamboos. So that is a teak wood is used in the construction, that is found here in huge quantity. Entire Dang district mostly is the forest region. So the entire Dang, whenever you get a chance to visit the Saputara hill station, you will have to go through the entire forest region. Both the sides of the road you will find only trees and forest region. So here it is a forest region, Dang is a forest region. And beautiful botanical garden of Vagai and Gira falls are also there. So Saputara, when you just before climbing the hill or before starting of the that is called the mountain or the hill, at the foothills we have the Vagai, that is a botanical garden, different types of plants and trees are there in the garden. And gira fall means waterfall is there. gira dhodh जो आप लोग गुजराती में बोलते हैं हम लोग, gira dhodh is found before the Saputara hills. Before you get up to the top of the Saputara hills, below that in the Dang district you will find this forest area, the botanical garden of Vagai, and the gira falls are found here. So whenever we get a time, we will visit this Saputara region. So see, near the coastal region which business is going on? Fishery business. Second is रैग्ड मतलब मैंने आपको बताया शिप्स के जो टूटे हुए टुकड़े होते हैं उसका भी बिजनेस बहुत बड़ा चलता है अलंग में. कहाँ चलता है? अलंग पोर्ट इन भावनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बिकॉज दे आर नियर द सी कोस्ट. देन which are the trees found in Dang, and this Dang is a very famous region for forest, and the different woods are found here for construction and for making the furniture. So here in the blue box you can see here Saputara of Dang district is the only hill station of Gujarat. So there you must have heard about many hill stations like Shimla, Kullu, Manali, Matheran, Mahabaleshwar, Lonavala, but for Gujarat state only Saputara is the single hill station. And in which district it is found? Dang district. So Saputara is the only one hill station of Gujarat. So anyone asks you which is the hill station of Gujarat, only Saputara, and it is where? In the Dang district of Gujarat. Understood, children? And there are many hill stations, but they are out of our Gujarat state. In Maharashtra, in Himachal Pradesh, that is normal. We understood that Himachal Pradesh is at such a great height in the northern. In the south we have so many hill stations, so that is there. But in Gujarat we have Saputara, and it is in the Dang district. So I hope you understood this page, children. We move on to the page 55, children. Here, please keep your textbook open, children. Whenever you go through the video, okay. Only my voice is not enough. You have to read the textbook also. Gujarat is the region of many rivers. Now, Flamingo is traveling. So, Flamingo has shown you what? First, it took us to the Kutch desert. Second, it took us to the island of Jamnagar. Where island of Jamnagar? Pirotan island of Jamnagar. Then, where Flamingo went? Gir forest of where the Asiatic lion was there. Then it went to the Girnar. See, Gir forest and Girnar, one and the same. Gir means what? In the Girnar only. And Gir hill stations are there. Many hills are there, not hill stations. Hills are there. We learnt about that. Different hills are there in different districts of our Gujarat, and the answers I will give you in the workbook, children. And then we learnt about the Dang district, we learnt about the Veraval, we learnt about the Alang port in Bhavnagar district. So now we move on to the rivers of Gujarat. There are many. Gujarat is a region of many rivers. That is why Gujarat state is so green and flourishing. You go out, you see Gujarat during the rainy season, it becomes so lovely because entire greenery is there. So much greenery is there in Gujarat because of plenty of rivers. So which are the main rivers? Narmada is the biggest river. Sabarmati, Tapi, Mahisagar are also big rivers in Gujarat. So now in the famous Sardar Sarovar Dam, I hope you have seen the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and it has become so famous, and there we have Sardar Sarovar Dam also. By this irrigation scheme means what? When the water is supplied to the farms through these canals or through the dams, that is called as what? Irrigation. What is it called? Irrigation. See, full year we don't get rains, but for the remaining 8 months, 4 months we get rain, but the remaining 8 months when we don't get the rains, water has to be supplied to the farms and the fields, and this is called as what? Irrigation. When the water is supplied for agriculture purpose, it is called as what? Irrigation, children. And so when the Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on which river? Narmada river. Narmada is the biggest river of Gujarat, and उसको जीव दोरी भी कहा गया है. नर्मदा रिवर को क्या कहा गया है? जीव दोरी. मतलब लोगों की जीवन पूरा निर्भर है नर्मदा रिवर पे, because it is used to supply water up to Kutch. Kutch is a desert, I told you. So from Narmada which is in Bharuch here. It is the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is in Bharuch. The water is supplied up to the Kutch district, and this dam is also used to generate the electricity. So whenever dam is built on the river, it helps to generate electricity also and supply water to the distances through canals, and what we say big streams are being there, and so water is supplied to the agriculture. That is called irrigation. So Sardar Sarovar Dam is the biggest. Sardar Sarovar Dam is the biggest dam on Narmada River built, and you know the statue of Shri Vallabhbhai Patel over there, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, so famous that area has become a tourist area, and the dam is over there. It's so beautiful to see the dam, and not only beautiful, it is useful for irrigation purpose and also to generate electricity. Now your think and say is there. The rivers of the district, you have to write down which rivers they are there in our district, which are the biggest river of our district, and the dam located in our district, especially the Daman Ganga river, then the Madhuban dam. There are two dams near our district, Valsad district, you know, Daman Ganga dam here just near our Vapi, and also Madhuban dam in Silvassa. So these are the famous dams. I will be giving you these answers in the workbook, children. No need of writing in the textbook. So now the flamingo has travelled too much. Where it has started the journey, children, again I am repeating, from the Kutch desert, then it went to the Jamnagar district, that is a Pirotan island, then the Gir forest where the Asiatic lions met, then Girnar, the different hills of Gujarat, then different rivers of Gujarat, then the Veraval, that is the coastal region of Gujarat, Veraval, Alang Port, and the Dang forest of Gujarat, and the single hill station of Gujarat, that is Saputara. First and the one only single hill station is there in Gujarat, that is the Saputara. And now flamingo flew from Narmada river and reached Gandhinagar. What is Gandhinagar? Capital of our Gujarat. So now, flamingo crossed the Narmada river, reached Gandhinagar, that is the capital. See, Gandhinagar is also very beautiful. It's the capital of our Gujarat. So naturally it is very beautiful and very neat and tidy. You will see so nice roads and greenery on the road also. So Gujarat, then visiting Amul Dairy, the famous dairy of Gujarat, Anand. It is situated in Anand district. Kadana Dam of Mahisagar. Kadana Dam of Mahisagar. Mahisagar is a big river of Gujarat. On that which dam is built? Kadana Dam. So Gandhinagar is the city of Gujarat, possessing highest number of trees, children. Greenery, trees on the roads. The flamingo also visited where after Gandhinagar, Indroda Park, Mahatma Mandir, all this is in Gandhinagar. From there it went to Ahmedabad. Where it went? Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar are nearby. So from Gandhinagar it went to Ahmedabad, and Ahmedabad, you know, it is situated on which river? Sabarmati river. Sabarmati river is also one of the big rivers of Gujarat, and the entire Ahmedabad city is situated on the Sabarmati river, Sabarmati ashram of Gandhiji, and that is called, it is named after the Sabarmati river which flows in Gujarat, and the entire Ahmedabad city is built on that. There is a Gandhi ashram, Jai Ho Gandhi Bapu. Wow, Kakaria Lake also looks very beautiful in Ahmedabad. So all these places the flamingo visited. So entire Gujarat tour. That is why the name of the lesson is, children, I love Gujarat. There are so many natural beauty of Gujarat you can't even imagine. So just you go on Google and also find out few pics. You will come to know about the different beautiful places or the greenery of Gujarat, children. You will love to see that. Okay, children. But the lesson becomes very big, so I am not showing you the pics. You go on Google. That is your activity I am giving you for this lesson. I have not given activity for any lesson, but I am giving you the activity for this lesson. Search on Google the different beautiful places of Gujarat, especially the natural beauty of Gujarat. And now we come to the last page of the lesson, that is Nal Sarovar is a bird sanctuary situated between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar. So Ahmedabad and Surendranagar is also a district. In between that, the beautiful Nal Sarovar. Sarovar means what? Bada Talab. And the name is what? Nal Sarovar. And the different, when the winter season starts, different types of foreign birds are seen here. They are known as what? Migratory birds. And who has come to see our Gujarat? Flamingo. It is also a migratory bird. And so flamingo is telling at the end, I enjoyed in Gujarat, enjoyed a lot. I love Gujarat. So children, you also will love Gujarat when now you don't get the time to visit entire Gujarat, but you go through the different pictures of Gujarat. Children, you will love to see that pictures on Google. Please do this activity of visiting the different sites of Gujarat, the beautiful rivers, the beautiful, I told you, the hills, the beautiful desert, white desert, Kutch ka white desert. Also, I told you the Dang forest, the Saputara, all these pictures you can see. And here there is a small activity for you. Fill the yellow color in the district visited by Flamingo. So where Flamingo is visited, there you have to fill up the yellow color, that is the, so it had gone to Kutch, Banaskantha, Sabarkantha, then Jamnagar, then Gir Somnath, then also it went to Bhavnagar, then it went to Ahmedabad, Surendranagar, Gandhinagar, Aravalli, Mahisagar, then it went to Bharuch, that is I told you where, Sardar Sarovar Dam, so Dang. So mostly and more than many districts are covered by Flamingo, that I will color and give you in the workbook, so you can do that activity. And what is written in the box at the end? Gujarat is ours. A small poem is there, children. Neither mine nor yours, neither his nor hers. Gujarat belongs to us. Gujarat is ours. So I hope, children, you must have enjoyed the beautiful journey of Gujarat with me, children, on this lesson. That is lesson number 7, I love Gujarat. And I have told you to go to Google, search some beautiful places of Gujarat. You will enjoy these beautiful pictures. And later on, if I can, I will send you some pictures also, but you yourself can go through the Google and get as many pictures of Gujarat. I hope you have understood the lesson, children. Soon I will be sending the notes of this lesson in the workbook. There you have to copy, and all the activity, everything you have to do in the workbook only. Nothing you do in the textbook. Textbook you just read. Textbook you just read the hard words or whatever the lesson is there. Nothing to write in that. Everything you write in your workbook, children. So I hope you have understood the lesson properly. Any doubts are there, you can ask on our WhatsApp group, children. WhatsApp group is made for asking your doubts. Don't ask the silly doubts of pencil and pen on only that much things. You ask some good doubts, children, that miss this paragraph you can explain or whatever like that. Don't just ask about pen or pencil. You go through the lesson, children. Lesson is so easy, so beautiful, Gujarat lesson. And go through the Google also and find out the beautiful pictures and the images from the Gujarat scenery. That is you can see the different ocean and the sea and the coastal region and Gir forest and Dang forest and all that, children. Okay, so I hope you understood the lesson. Okay, thank you. Students, as I told you that you can go on the Google website and find out the beautiful places of Gujarat. Here I have tried to give you some images of Gujarat. This is the image of Ran of Kutch, that is the white desert of Kutch. This is the Pirotan island of Jamnagar, where the entire land is surrounded by water. This is the Marine National Park, that is of the Pirotan island of Jamnagar, where different aquatic animals you can see. This is the Asiatic lions in the Gir forest of Gujarat. This is our national park or a sanctuary of Valsad district, that is the Vasda National Park. This is the beautiful hills of Gujarat. This is a waterfall and the different hills of Gujarat. This is the Pavagadh hill station where there are ropeways. I told you in the lesson, ropeway. This is the Alang port where the ships are broken and the parts are sold out as furniture. That is the Alang furniture, Alang port of Bhavnagar. This is also the Alang port of Bhavnagar. This is the Veraval beach where it is very famous for fishery business. This is the Dang forests of Valsad district. That is the Dang district near our Valsad, where we have our famous hill station of Saputara. Only one hill station of Gujarat, that is Saputara. It is found in the Dang forest. This is the Dang district. This is also the waterfalls. This is the Sardar Sarovar Dam. This is the lake view of our Sabarmati Ashram, riverfront of riverfront of Sabarmati Ashram. This is also the same Sardar Sarovar Dam. This is, I told you, the green city, Gandhinagar, famous for its greenery. This entire view is of Ahmedabad city, which is on the Sabarmati river. This is the Kakaria lake, which is also very famous spot of Ahmedabad. This is the Gandhi ashram. I hope you enjoyed seeing the pictures. You can have more pictures when you go through the Google, and you will be able to have more pictures there. If you would like to study about different places and view the different pictures, children, here I have given just a small view of the pictures.